The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Austin Habitat for Humanity ReStore. Shop for a good cause at Habitat for Humanity ReStore. Today we're coming to you from the Ben White store. It's one of 3 locations in our area. We're speaking with marketing manager Erica Brown, who's going to tell us more. Erica, what makes shopping at the ReStore different than shopping literally anywhere else?
Gosh, that's such a good question. I think the most amazing thing about shopping at the ReStore is our ever-changing inventory. Thanks to the generosity of our donors, you can come in every day and find something new. I think our cost and our price point is another amazing thing. We really try to aim to provide an affordable product for the community, but also create revenue for our organization. And the third thing is it's an environmentally conscious choice, right? You're participating in a circular economy. We're promoting sustainability. You're giving things a second life to have an experience. So I think those are the things that make shopping at ReStore different than anywhere else.
There's a lot of overstock that companies have given to you in donation, and it means that it's brand new stuff that might otherwise be in a magazine.
Brand new items. I mean, today I was looking around and we have like brand new attic stairs. I know that's like such a random thought, but like when you're building home or maybe you need new attic stairs, your attic stairs are old or they're broken, we have some right now in store for $100. They retail at like $5.15.
Wow.
I mean, we just have like brand new throw pillows. So many things that we have are new and at a very affordable price point.
Wonderful. Okay, so do you have any tips for first-time shoppers?
I have some tips for first-time shoppers. I would say come with a plan in hand, be open to explore. The second thing is come with a measuring tape. So many times people see things they want and they don't know if it's going to fit in their home. The third thing I would say is do not hesitate. If you see it, grab it, because I promise you someone else is going to get it. It happened to me today.
Okay, so how can our Austin community continue to support the ReStore?
Austin can continue to support us by donating items. Gently Loved, we have 3 donation centers at all 3 of our stores. You just pull up, we do the rest of the work. I always tell people, stop with us first, see what we have in stock, see what we have it priced for, and then we just may be able to beat out everyone else. And then the third thing I would say is follow us on social media, engage on us there. Our Instagram page is thriving. We always have fun things. We're giving away things. And so yes, support us by donating, shopping with us and following us on social media.
It sounds super easy to me, especially because I am a shopaholic and you know I love being here. Erica,
yes,
thank you for your time.
Yeah, thank you.
Shop in person at ReStore's 3 Austin area locations or shop online at shopaustinrestore.com. The preceding portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Austin Habitat for Humanity ReStore.